Good morning, class 6 children. Now I am going to start your SST Civic chapter number 8. Last time we completed history and now we will go according to CBSE syllabus of Agar. So now we will start chapter number 8 of civics. Come here. Chapter of the name is Rural Livelihood. And in this chapter, we will study about the farmer and tenant, what problem they are facing in our country day-to-day life. Now we will discuss all these important topic and points in this chapter. There are several kind of livelihood in rural areas. One village example given here. So now we will study about that village. Kalpatta village, name of the village. Point number 1. Kalpatta in Tamil Nadu is a village near to the sea coast. This village is sea coast of Tamil Nadu, and this was situated in Tamil Nadu. Village named by Kalpatta. Point number 2. Plugging is not done. Here people are busy in activities like making pots, utensils, weaving basket and making bricks. These are the works which they done for survival of their life. Point number 3. It has a number of shop. Tea, cloth, barber shop, tailor or etc. are some major shop found here. Here most of the people, they are engaging in all this work. For example, tea, cloth, barber shop, tailor, etc. So now we will go to next topic. Name of the topic is life in rural areas. Point number 1. Workers in rural areas are found work only in the harvesting season. So here people used to get work only during the harvesting season. Like when we are starting to planting any seeds, at that time only they are getting available work. Point number 2. People work as a daily laborer. The people working there, they are daily laborer. They used to do work every day. Point number 3. Women have to do their domestic duties and even work outside. Women of that areas, they used to do housework also, and with that they used to do outside work also. Point number 4. People find it difficult even to meet best existence or basic necessities. So it will be very difficult for them to manage their life, and they didn't get their basic necessities also. Point number 5. About two-thirds of India's agricultural laborers are landless, and these farmers, they don't have their own land. They used to work in others' land. Point number 6. Since farmers do not have money, they fall in a debt trap. Next topic, agricultural laborer and farmer in India. Now we will discuss about this. Point number 1. In India, only 20% of the farmer have good lifestyle. In our country, India, 20% of farmer only getting a good lifestyle. Remaining, they are not getting common lifestyle or good lifestyle. Point number 2. Hoarding makes farmers suffer. Our last topic of this chapter is coastal areas. We know about the coastal areas, the people who's living nearby rivers. That area is called coastal areas. Point number 1. People in coastal areas facing difficult life. They are always facing a difficult life. We know that in these areas, most of the time during rainy season, flood used to come. That's why people are facing a difficult life of these areas. Point number 2. Fishing is their main occupation, but when the fishermen are out, it is not known whether they will come back or not. But in every season, this will be not happen. That's why sometimes they used to go out for other works, and afterwards they are not going back to their place. Point number 3. Fishermen are unsafe for few months during monsoon season. So people of these areas, they are facing a lot of problem during monsoon season. Point number 4. There is constant battle for survival among majority of people in rural areas. people of majority types of these areas, they are also facing a lot of problem. So now here your chapter number 8 of civics class 6 is completed. So if you have any doubt, then you can text me in WhatsApp. Till then, bye and take care, children.